Hey there! I know that you believe marketing can suck. Money out, often it's a shot in the dark. And then there's the waiting game. Too often the ROI doesn't come soon enough, even when your marketing hits the target. So this is exactly why we're going to give away 5 deals to you for free this Wednesday, December 14th at 8 p.m.
with our special guest, Benson Juarez, who's the Operations and Business Development Manager at Privy.
So if you're a real estate agent or if you're an investor, I'd like you to answer this question for yourself. If I really was handed a deal on a silver platter that I didn't have that money out, shot in the dark, toe-tapping time, waiting for an ROI, marketing hoops attached to it, come across that was a slam dunk, would I scoff at it or would I say, thank you, I'd like another? I mean, no money is an infinite ROI when you have no money out of pocket. And there's that for real December 14th at 8 p.m. Eastern on the Wednesday where we're giving away actual deals that can make you actual money. So whether you're just getting started or whether you're a seasoned real estate professional, this will become one of two things. If you're new, it'll be the cornerstone of your marketing. No more shot in the dark, toe-tapping, nail-biting, void of ROI marketing flops. Or if you're seasoned, be another strategy that you implement already as a successful real estate investor. Hey, I'm Christian Weatherspoon with Real Estate Investing Made Easy, and I'm looking forward to seeing you there on Wednesday, December 14th at 8 p.m. and possibly handing you a deal or multiple deals on a silver platter. But most of all, I'm looking forward to making it easy. So if you're late to seeing all this, you can find the replay linked in the description below, and you can click here for the next business evolving, life-changing training made easy.